Hello, everyone! This is our new laser cleaning machine. This machine matches with two screens. The cleaning head is designed with a circular air curtain to form a protective layer. Comes with pull rods and rollers for easy mobility. Equipped with focus support, supports various environmental cleaning. Removing rust. Clean newspapers. Cleaning painting from wood. Remove paint on aluminum. Cleaning blood stains. Cleaning concrete paintings. Cleaning moss. Cleaning zebra crossing.